How to fix checking info problem in Play Store. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix your issue of checking info error that is available in your Play Store. So let's get started. But before getting started, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe option. So the very first thing is make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi network, because most of the times if you don't have a stable network, that brings the error of checking info while you are trying to log in into your Play Store. So after that, if that doesn't work, then I want you to go to settings of your app, your device, and here scroll down to apps. After scrolling down here, I want you to search for Google Play Services. Just tap on Google Play Services, tap on it, and here just scroll down a bit and go to storage. After tapping on it, I want you to go to manage storage, and here tap on this last option, clear all data. Just tap on clear all data and confirm that delete. After confirming the deletion, I want you to get back. After getting back, this time I want you to search for Google Play, search for it. Play Store, just tap on this option, and here go under storage, and here tap on clear cache. After tapping on clear cache, that should most likely fix your issue of your checking info problem in your Play Store. But just in case, I want you to restart your device, and that probably should work. So therefore, in this way, you can fix your checking info problem in Play Store. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.